Karma Guy here. Check out this 2018 Genesis G80 3.3T Sport Sedan, a luxury sedan that's been living its whole life right here in Georgia. It has a dealer service history and is up to date with GA emissions, so you know it's been well cared for. This is a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle, meaning it's been thoroughly inspected and comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. But that's not all. When you purchase this G80, you can also add on a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, available at the time of sale. Look at this interior, luxurious, comfortable, and loaded with features that will elevate your driving experience. Whether you're on a long trip or just driving around town, the G80 ensures a smooth, enjoyable ride. And here's something you don't want to miss. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. You'll get even more protection for the road ahead. Just a quick heads up, any price reductions or discounts will void this vehicle being sold as a CPO unit with the warranty and the 5-year service plan, so be sure to ask us about that before making a deal. At Karma Automotive, we understand buying a car is a big decision. That's why we ensure you have the peace of mind that comes with a pre-purchase inspection and extended warranties. Come see us today and take this Genesis G80 for a test drive. You'll love what you see.